In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage who can create tasks on Clockify. If you want your team to create and edit assignments in Clockify but don't know where to enable it, I'll show you exactly how to allow assignment access step by step. So start by opening Clockify on your desktop, go to the three dots at the top. Now tap on Workspace Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Permissions tab besides General. Now, once you click Permissions, scroll down until you find Who can create assignments. So it's usually at the bottom. Now, you'll see three options. You have admins and project managers, and anyone. So, only admins can manage assignments. If you click on admins and project managers, both can create and edit assignments, and if you set it to anyone, all users can manage assignments. Now, for most teams, select admins and project managers for better control and flexibility. So your changes are saved automatically, no need to click anything else. Now go to projects, select a project, and open access. Make sure your team members are added to that project, and without access, they still won't be able to create assignments. Now, if you selected admins and project managers, make sure to assign users as project managers. This gives them permission to manage assignments. Now, use this setup to give control to team leads without giving full admin access. And that's how you can allow people to create and edit assignments in Clockify. Thanks for watching.